Guys, it's 3 a.m. it's 3 a.m. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh. Hindi na si Ari daw. Nag-trek masaya. Ang saya-saya niya. My love. Ari. Ring. It's your first time to trek early in the morning, my love. Are you happy? Are you happy? Oh. Careful! Makan mo siya, babe. Kibasi mo. Akatin namin ngayon ay Mount Kupapay and Mount Fata. Twin hike. My love, careful ha. Dito tayo sa buhay. Sarap. Oh, grabe. 1 minute. Take 1 minute. Ken. Aring. Ring. Cold. Ito pa. Grabe yung fog. Anakin. Kamusta mo first timer daw? My love, are you okay? Wow.
Fresh pa.
Wow, fresh and fresh. You're fresh and fresh. Yes.
Pa sila yung
Oo.
adrenaline rush nila.
Oo. Tsaka madali silang. Pero, good morning, sir. You do, guys.
Galing pa man din ang hinitin mo pag nag-stop sa ghost.
Uy, blue na.
Go.
Blue na yun sa camera, sir. Ano, pa sunrise na doon, no? Push. Going to sit down. Ay. Lakas ni Kiyakin, Ate Saib. Lakas ni Kiyakin. Lakas ni na Aring.
Look at these shoes.
Time check. Oh, alas 5 na ring. You made it. Oh. Dito pa lang you made it. Oh. Hi, Tita Seth. Ayan na. Start ng sunrise. May sub-clouds na doon.
Mama,
5 pa.
this looks like Saturn.
Oh, hi, Saturn. May ring. Oh. Mimi.
May tubig.
Grabe si Ari, no? Grabe energy, ho. 4 hours po siya na, babe. May inuman ako, eh. Papa Jay.
Nandun yung pago.
Take a video.
Nandun yung Sea of Clouds.
Nandun yung Sea of Clouds.
Dito sa Rice Terraces wala.
Oo.
Sapato.
Parang dito na side, sir. Oh, Ringo, it's so nice, Ringo. The birds are singing, Ring. The birds, they are singing, my love.
Di ba dyan? Nandun yung
Did you hear the birds? They are singing. Like, welcome, Maring, they said.
Tara.
I'm just gonna video the rest of the hike.
Bawdi puga. Video ho niya kung notice the rest of the hike.
Yes.
Are you happy, my love? Wow, oh my God, I'm so happy also. Okay. Wow.
Una daw.
Time check. 5:07 pa lang. Alas 5:07 pa lang ring.
Dito mas maganda.
Mas maganda ba dyan?
Kayo lang o yung group niyo sa baba?
Sa taas.
Ano na?
Yung sa baba, group niyo doon.
Ibang group.
Kayo na ulit. Sa tatlong group pala yung umakyat ngayong araw.
Parang.
Kasi may isa pang group doon sa baba.
Ay, oo nga, mas maganda dito. Are you done? Wait lang, my love. Wait lang, kaya mama is taking a video pa.
Sunset na. Sunrise.
Sunrise. Ate Sabo, maganda sa likod.
Glisero talaga.
Glisero to, ma'am.
Tsaka nito, talagang tingnan mo sa kutis.
Bao, parang kandila yung kutis niyan, ma'am.
Sabi nga ni Kuya, laki nga broad ko.
Hindi lang. Laking Manila lang yan po.